In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get live help with Turbotax, which is a reliable tool for managing your taxes, especially around tax season when you need that extra level of support. If you're feeling a bit stuck, don't worry. I'm here to walk you through the process of getting live assistance, step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Turbotax official website. Open up your favorite web browser and type in the URL for Turbotax. This move not only ensures you're in the right place, but also ensures your information is protected by the site's security measures, especially when dealing with sensitive data like your taxes. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You want to be sure you're comfortable navigating the site. Next, you'll need to sign into your account. Spot the sign in button on the top right corner of the homepage and click on it. If you already have an account, log in with your username and password. For those of you who might be new, don't fret. Turbotax makes it straightforward to create a new account with just a few clicks, and you'll be guided through each step, ensuring your details are secure and correctly entered. After signing in, navigate to the Turbotax home. This area serves as your personal dashboard, centralizing all your tax-related activities. It's crucial to get familiar with this space. Here, you can access past returns, manage your settings, and make sure all your documents are where they need to be. Now here comes the crucial part of getting that valuable live help. Look for the option labelled Live Tax Advice and click on it. This feature is designed to connect you with a professional who can provide real-time assistance, addressing any questions or concerns you might have. Whether you're dealing with complex deductions or simply unsure about which form to use, these experts are there to help clarify and guide you. Lastly, on this page, you will see an option to click Assisted. This will funnel you directly to the service where an experienced tax professional can provide more tailored help. This hands-on support can alleviate the stress and confusion often associated with tax filing, ensuring you're on the right track. With these steps, you now know how to navigate Turbotax to receive the live support you need. It's always beneficial to ask questions and seek help when you need it, especially when dealing with important financial matters. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and gave you the confidence to tackle your taxes with ease. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your tax filing this year.